guys hear that? Like a... We're gonna need a bigger slingshot.
Brandon, we've discovered a third island. We need to put aside our differences and work together.
To save our world from being destroyed, what we really need is a hero.
Actually, that position's been filled. Oh, yeah!
Are you kidding me?
Have to get a team together.
We're busting you out.
Mom, you're still grounded!
I'm an adult! Mom!
Guys, this is my sister, Silver. She's super smart.
Wait, who's that? And why is she all over these achievement awards?
I just don't think this is gonna work.
Okay, so unusually angry.
Talks to herself.
Self-esteem issues.
Left-handed, probably a witch.
Have fun being alone.
I like her.
Next, we're gonna need some muscle.
A boa constructor. Well, that got dark.
Okay, guys. Step 1, travel undetected to the island.
All the gadgets you'll see here have been designed with your current mission in mind. The first being Invisispray.
How long does the invisibility last for?
Forever.
Wait, what? Tina, we're not gonna be able to see each other tonight.
Okay, so what's the plan?
Trust me, I know what I'm doing.
Working with what we got.
Nope. No. We're gonna need a disguise.
Oh, my goodness gravy.
I want to see.
What's going on down there? I think he's challenging us to a breakdance battle.
Oh, it's on!
Wow.
It's the final countdown!
Don't touch the lava tube.
I don't know if I'm gonna fit.
Just suck in your butt.
Does anyone smell bacon?
Oh!